Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the road trip. Today, we've got a really pretty car to look at, a 1974 Plymouth Satellite Sebring. And we've got the car's owner with us. His name's Mike. Mike, thanks for showing us your car.
Thank you.
How many years have you had it?
My dad ordered it in 1974, so we had it since 1974.
He's the original owner?
Yes, he is.
And you, I guess, inherited it, or you just
I
maintained it?
inherited it.
Well, I saw your car a little while ago, and you weren't with it, and I had to come back and hopefully do a video with you. So I want to thank you for giving me some time. This car, what caught my attention was you don't see this body that often, this body style. And this thing is so clean. Look at this engine compartment. I can't remember the last time I seen a 74 Satellite this nicely restored. Usually when you see them, they're not restored because parts are so hard to come by. And this one is beautifully restored and super clean. This, I guess, is the original 400 motor?
Yes, it is.
Did you have to rebuild it? Is there anything done to the motor?
So I had it completely taken apart and rebuilt, but everything's original, matching numbers.
Matching numbers? Very nicely detailed. That's the color it would have been?
Yes.
With the orange air
that's
cleaner?
the factory color, yes.
Dual snorkels on the air cleaner?
Yes.
Very unusual bottle here. It's like an orangey, yellow-orange bottle.
So that's the original bottle, and it's faded since the purchase of the car.
Oh, what
That's
would
the
it have
original.
been? Would it have been like
It would have been clear.
a clear?
Yes.
Wow, that's
Actually,
a crazy.
more like the reserve right here.
Okay. Well, it almost looked like it was meant to be that color. It's a beautifully even shade of orange.
Thank you.
But it's very nicely detailed in here. Even the undercarriage, under the hood, I should say. Would this have had a hood pad?
No, it didn't.
No hood pad?
No.
Looks like you got all the components right, the little clips and clamps and everything.
Yes, we actually didn't have to replace any of them. They have been on the car. It's all
How many
original.
miles are on this car?
89,900 and change.
89,000 miles. Did you have to replace the grill or anything up front?
This is the original grill. There was a crack in there. We had a plastic welded just a little bit.
Looks like the chrome's been redone up front.
No, that's just been polished.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice condition. Let me walk around the side. What caught my eye as well are these wheels. These weren't the original wheels on the car, were they?
No, so the original wheels were black rimmed with those hubcaps and white walls.
So it would have had white walls on it. Thin white walls, I guess, right?
Yeah, 14s.
Well, I like the look. They look beefy front and back. They fill the wheel well really nice.
And that's exactly why we changed them out.
How about the side molding? Did it have that side molding on it?
Yes, these are the original side moldings. My dad actually hand cleaned them to make them for the car.
Beautiful. Now, this is a Satellite. I see the marker light on the corner. What other body styles? Would this have come as a Roadrunner?
Yes.
Would it have had a marker light on the corner there?
The Roadrunners didn't.
No?
Some of the ones that I've seen don't. So the interesting thing I found out was the Roadrunner was the muscle car.
Okay.
And the Satellite were the family cars. So there was a little bit of subtle differences.
And the marker light is one of those differences?
Yes.
Well, I like the looks of this car. I like the wheels that you went with. Black painted steel with the dog dish caps, the leather tires, and they got the right amount of beef to them.
Thank you.
What color is this called?
B5 blue.
And did it have the white vinyl top with it?
Yes.
It was made this combo?
It was made this combo, yes.
Love the color combo. It just jumps right out at you. And look how clean this trunk compartment is. Oh, there goes. Is that the original spare?
That's the original spare. Never been on the car.
Look at that. How about
You can
that?
actually see the little tabbies on the wheels.
Yeah. Belted, what does it say? Belted Jumbo 780 with the white wall. Look at that. Nice clean engine, trunk compartment, I should say.
Thank you.
Nicely detailed. Let's go around to the driver's side if you can open the door for us. Look at this door panel. Look how clean that is. Beautiful. Can I lean in here?
Yes, absolutely.
Now, I see you've got the pistol grip shifter. Is that the 4-speed?
Yes.
Original transmission?
Original transmission, original shifter.
You've got, I guess that's the Satellite dashboard, right?
Yes, it is.
Would the Roadrunner would it have rounded gauges or a different dash? Do you know?
I'm not 100% sure. I've seen some with rounded and some with flat.
Have you?
That's the original dash, and that's the original AM/FM push button radio,
Oh, is it really?
and it works.
And it works. Very nice. Got the original knobs, I see.
Yes.
I guess you had to have had this interior redone. It looks too perfect.
Yes, we ordered it from Legendary Auto, and the interesting thing is the silver insert tabs are the original. You cannot get them. They're not even available in reproduction.
So you had to keep them when you had them redone, huh?
Yes.
From the original. Did the back seat too?
Yes.
It looks beautiful back here.
Thank you.
Even the package tray looks great. Headliner's nice and tight. Correct material?
Yes.
What's up with the wheel? It looks brand new. It looks NOS.
Nope, it's the original wheel. We had it painted, reconditioned.
Did you?
Yes.
Original pad as well?
Original pad.
Did a beautiful job.
Lot of work, a lot of love.
I can tell. This is one of those cars that you don't see that often, and when you do, they're not this nice. They're just kind of weathered and worn, being that parts are so hard to come by.
Yes, and I will give a shout out to JD's Auto. They were extremely
Helpful?
helpful with this. Yes.
Yeah, JD's Auto, they're in Huntington Valley.
Yes, they do phenomenal work.
They do. They do great work. So if you're in the area, Huntington Valley, PA, JD's Auto, they'll definitely bail you out. But the car looks magnificent, Mike.
Thank you very
Love
much.
the color. Love the white vinyl top with those wheels.
I think that's what sets it different.
It does. That's what caught my attention. I mean, I would have kept walking right by it if it didn't have that stance and those wheels. But, Mike, I want to thank you for showing us your car.
Thank you. Appreciate
Love
your
it.
time.
Folks, tell me what you think. 1974 Plymouth Satellite Sebring. Leave your comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. One more thing about this Plymouth Satellite that I noticed is the exhaust tips. These are super rare. They're the Plymouth Roadrunner exhaust tips, or the slotted exhaust tips. They actually came on this Satellite. The owner, being the original owner, he ordered the Roadrunner engine, and it came with these exhaust tips, which I think are pretty cool. How cool is that? Yeah, I know they're pretty special.